Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making karela from our garden. Here I have some shrimp in here, already washed. So karela and shrimp today. Dry down the water here. Then I'll add the oil. Then onion, green onion and peppers. That's the karela here, we already cut it up. And onion, green onion, and a very pepper, seasoning pepper. Add in the oil. Four teaspoons of oil. Also cooking my rice here. So we'll have dal and rice and karela and shrimp today. Add in the onion, green onion, seasoning pepper. Karela. Karela is from our garden. It's so fresh. Can't get anywhere better fresher than this. So fresh. So green too. Karela looking good. Almost done. I'll add some tomatoes, salt, and a little bit of sugar. Sugar gives it a good taste. Just a quarter teaspoon. Bacon and lemon cake also. Looking nice. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of sugar. Karela looking so nice, so fresh, looking so good. Karela and shrimp, Guyana shrimp. My husband loves this, his favorite. So nice. We have some more karela on the tree and a pumpkin in there. More karela there. So this will be next cooking. Add in tomato. Tomatoes from our garden too. Everything is fresh. Making some strawberry waffle for the kids. This is so nice. First time I seen this in the store. Strawberry waffle. Toasted in there. Alright, it's done. Looking amazing. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Hope you like how it turns out. Looking good. My lemon cake coming good too. Forgot about that. Looking good.